Old Somali currency history explained. Have you ever seen the old money of Somalia and wondered what happened to it? Somalia once had a stable national currency called the Somali Shilling. But over time, it lost its value and strength. In this video, we will explore the history, the leadership involved, and the reason why the currency collapsed. B1, the beginning of Somali currency, 1960s. After Somalia gained independence in 1960, the country needed its own national currency. Before that, people used the East African shilling, which was shared across several East African countries. The first Somali shilling was introduced under the early leadership of President Aden Abdullah Osman Dar, who was the first president of Somalia. This was a major step toward economic independence. At that time, Somali banknotes and coins had strong value and represented a hopeful new nation. Plus 2. Old Somali banknotes and coins. In the early decades, Somalia produced beautiful currency designs. Paper banknotes with national symbols. Coins with denominations like cents and shillings. Designs representing Somali culture and identity. These old currencies are now seen as historical collectibles and reminders of a stable financial era. 3. The military government era. Later, during the military government led by Siad Barre, Somalia continued using the Somali shilling. The government tried to control and manage the economy more centrally. However, even though money was being printed, the economy was already starting to face challenges such as inflation and weak financial systems. 4. The collapse of 1991. The biggest turning point came in 1991, when the central government collapsed. After this, the central bank stopped functioning. No official control over money printing. The country entered civil war. This moment marked the beginning of the Somali shilling's decline. Mass flood of fake money and inflation. After the collapse, many unofficial or fake banknotes entered the market. There was no government regulation. Prices started changing rapidly, hyperinflation. People slowly lost trust in the Somali shilling. Bench dollar becomes the main currency. Because of instability, most people and businesses switched to the US dollar, USD. The Somali shilling became weak and unstable, especially in large transactions. Even today, USD is widely used across Somalia alongside the local currency. But 7. The era of Abdullahi Yusuf, 2004-2008. When Abdullahi Yusuf Ahmed became president, there were efforts to rebuild the government and revive financial institutions. However, no new official Somali currency was successfully introduced. The central bank was still weak. The economy remained heavily dependent on the US dollar,